Discover the all-new 2024 Kia Sportage Hybrid, elevating driving dynamics and sustainability. Revolutionizing the driving experience, the 2024 Kia Sportage Hybrid emerges as a dynamic evolution of the renowned mid-size crossover from the esteemed South Korean automaker. Boasting a potent 1.6-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine harmonized seamlessly with a cutting-edge hybrid system, this vehicle offers an optional all-wheel drive for enhanced versatility. Following its successful introduction in 2023, the fifth-generation Sportage captivates with its elongated wheelbase and captivating aesthetics. Embrace the future confidently with every Sportage Hybrid, backed by an impressive 10-year 100,000-mile hybrid powertrain and battery warranty. What's new in the 2024 Kia Sportage Hybrid? As the 2024 model year unfolds, the Kia Sportage Hybrid undergoes subtle enhancements, aligning with its plug-in counterpart. Experience heightened safety and illumination with LED projector headlights, complemented by seat-mounted airbags for the utmost protection in the second row. Nevertheless, the allure of the Sportage endures, presenting a compelling package of spacious interiors, eco-conscious hybrid performance, luxurious appointments, and an enticingly affordable MSRP. Performance redefined. Under the hood, the 2024 Kia Sportage Hybrid thrills with a robust 1.6-liter turbocharged inline four-cylinder engine, delivering an exhilarating 177 horsepower and an impressive 195 lb-ft of torque, ensuring spirited performance across the board. Seamlessly integrating with the hybrid system, including an electric motor and hybrid starter generator, yields a combined performance of 227 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque, all seamlessly managed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. Efficiency. Without compromise, with judicious driving, revel in remarkable fuel efficiency, boasting an EPA estimated range of 38 to 42 mpg in the city, 38 to 44 mpg on the highway, and 38 to 43 mpg combined, tailored to your choice of front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Versatility. Unleashed. Despite its hybrid nature, the 2024 Kia Sportage Hybrid defies expectations, showcasing a towing capacity of up to 2,000 pounds when properly equipped, ideal for towing recreational vehicles or watercraft. Meanwhile, its capacious interior offers 39.5 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row, expanding to a cavernous 73.7 cubic feet with rear seats folded down. Unveiling the variants, choose from an array of configurations tailored to your preferences, including the LX, X AWD, and SX Prestige AWD. While the LX offers the flexibility of front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, the EX and SX Prestige models feature standard all-wheel drive. Pricing and beyond. Embark on your journey with the LX starting at $29,615 for front-wheel drive or $31,415 for all-wheel drive, inclusive of the $1,325 destination charge. Delight in a wealth of standard features, from LED projector headlights to an intuitive 8-inch infotainment touchscreen, ensuring every drive exceeds expectations. Elevate your driving experience with the 2024 Kia Sportage Hybrid, where innovation meets versatility in perfect harmony. Explore further with our comprehensive Auto Loans 101 guide, guiding you towards seamless vehicle financing. Get ready to redefine your expectations of hybrid driving today. Embark on your journey with the X AWD, starting at a tantalizing $33,315. Elevate your experience with a host of upgrades, including sleek roof rails, eye-catching 18-inch wheels, and sumptuous heated front seats wrapped in luxurious faux leather upholstery. Stay connected and entertained with the expansive 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, complemented by the convenience of wireless smartphone charging. Feel the comfort of a power driver's seat with lumbar support, ensuring every drive is a pleasure. Step into luxury with the top-of-the-line SX Prestige, starting at $38,515. Indulge in the ultimate driving experience with ventilated front seats and a heated tiller, while immersing yourself in crystal-clear sound from the 8-speaker Harman Kardon stereo. Illuminate your path with LED fog lights while sinking into premium synthetic leather seats that exude sophistication. Let every passenger find their perfect position with a power front passenger seat, completing the epitome of luxury. Discover peace of mind with the 5th generation Kia Sportage, crowned an NW3HS Top Safety Pick Plus with a stellar 5-star frontal crash rating from NHTSA. Equipped with forward collision avoidance, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist, safety is paramount. Tailor your safety suite with additional features such as blind spot collision avoidance and navigation-based adaptive cruise control, ensuring confidence on every drive. With a 5-year 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and a remarkable 10-year 100,000-mile hybrid powertrain and battery warranty, the 2024 Kia Sportage offers unparalleled peace of mind. Extend your coverage with options to prolong the factory warranty, ensuring your investment is protected for years to come. In the fiercely competitive mid-size hybrid crossover segment, Kia's Sportage Hybrid stands tall, offering a winning combination of spaciousness, fuel efficiency, and an abundance of standard features at an irresistible price point.